Hi Mildred Elley. My name is Karry Brothers. I'm the Digital Marketing Director at Mildred Elley, and I'm working from the barn today. My coworkers obviously haven't figured out social distancing. This is Lachlan. He's still a baby, believe it or not. And this is Chloe and Maya. I'm very lucky that I can work here, but what I really miss is communication. These guys obviously aren't very good at it. Fortunately, there's a lot of ways you can communicate digitally these days, and I hope you're taking advantage of them to communicate with our faculty and staff. We would really love to hear from you. Some human interaction would really make their day. So you can get a hold of us through Moodle, social media, Microsoft Teams. You can call us. You can even send us a link in YouTube and send us a video. But the best way to get a hold of us is through email. And my friends in IT asked if I could do a little tutorial to help you out with Office 365. So here goes.
Okay, so go ahead and open up a web browser. I'm using Google Chrome, but you can use Firefox, or you can use Safari if you're on a Mac, and you can use Microsoft Explorer. Lots of browser options. So you're going to go ahead and go to mildred-elley.edu, and you're going to wait for it to load. Bear with me, the screen capture program I'm using uses a lot of memory. Okay, so this is our website. So you're going to go to Student Portal up at the top there. And then you're going to scroll down. You can see we put all the information you could possibly need on this student portal. Tech support phone numbers there. You've got tutorials over here. For this little form here that wants text, if you wanted text notifications if things are happening on campus, we usually text, email, and post on social media. So if you want the texting, please fill this out and let us know who your cell provider is, because we have certain different methods to contact each carrier. So that would be really helpful if you'd fill that out for us. Log in, any of this tech support stuff that you need is all here. So what we were talking about was email. So you're going to go to this big old orange button. It says email login. So you're going to click there, and you're going to get a login screen. This is where you're going to enter your student email address, and your password should be the same as your computer network password, the one that you would use to log on campus computers with. If you're a new student, make sure you find this on the credential papers that came with your books. So you're going to go ahead and sign in. Yes, please stay signed in. Now, what I would do if I were you, rather than having to go through all of that, I would just take this little icon and I would throw it on my bookmark bar so I have it and I can click on it whenever I need it. Very useful. So also, you're going to want to click on this Outlook icon, and that will take you to your email. Your student email is probably going to be your most used thing other than Moodle throughout your student career. And again, bear with me, my computer is going slow because of the video capture program. So once you get here, you want to send an email, all you have to do is click new message, and we're gonna wait a second for it to load. Come on, you can do it. I feel like playing the Jeopardy theme right now. Do 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 do. There we go. Okay, so all you have to do, let's say you want to send me an email address, email message. My email address is kbrothers at Mildred elley.edu, and you can, whoops, I did not mean to CC my friend David. Add a subject, just saying hi. you can send. Just like that. Piece of cake.
All right, I'm going to add a list of commonly used emails on the student resource page so you can get a hold of us. And I have to run because Chloe wants a TikTok account. So stay healthy, stay safe, and my laptop is always open.